It's making me want to share things like I don't know if I should share it. ESPRESSO, that's who I am. Bro, that line from Sana from Espresso, bro, was so nice. But anyway, we have Twice Feel Special for today. This was released 2019. So it's a pretty old song, but you know, who cares, guys? Music is music. Let's go. When did Nyan have bangs? With the green streaks? Yo, the way their voices were tweaked here. Immediately, Alvin and the Chipmunks like came into my mind. But Sana stands out. Sana, I mean Nayon stands out with that green highlights and bangs. I like it. Mhm. Oh wow. Yo, bro, the first few lines, bro, holy shit. Woo! Yo, oh my god, I can relate to this like right now. Especially during the pandemic. And I like the scene here wherein like Cheong is trapped or isolated from everyone. Yo, but this line, bro, is so hard. It's so hard. Some samba beat. You make me feel special. 세상이 아무리 날 주저앉혀도 그곳 말들이 날 찔러도 네가 있어 난 뜻이 없어. That's what you do. Nice. Again I feel special. 아무것도 아닌 존재 같다가도 잘해줘도 날 사랑했다가도 내 부르는 네 목소리에 I feel love. Yo. Normally, normally I would like pause every now and then, but yeah, I was reading the lyrics of this one, especially with the intro and the line of Nayan here. No, here. Here. Like, no one would notice if I. Yo, bro. This one's close to home. This one's close to home. Wait, let me run it back. I don't know why, but listening to the first, you can say first few minutes here of the song, bro, it made me soft. And yo, these lines from Cheong right here, when I feel all alone, when I feel like I don't belong anywhere, bro, this is, you know, I'm just gonna share it. This is my this is what I'm feeling right now, you know, with this entire pandemic situation here in the Philippines. Because originally, like, our family lives in QZ, Quezon City, but since the pandemic happened, we moved here in our province, you know, somewhere. I'm not gonna tell because you might stalk me, but that resulted to me like feeling separated or distant from my friends because all of my friends are in QZ right now. I mean, most of them. And I've lived in QZ for what? For 20 plus years already. So it's really new for me to stay here in the province and like be distant and far away from my friends. You know, because I've been with them what since grade school, high school, and college. We can easily hang out, but since the pandemic happened, I'm stuck here in this, in this room, and even going there is such a, it's such a hassle, quote unquote. I mean, it's not a hassle because I get to see them from time to time, but oh my god, this line right here, when I feel like I don't belong anywhere, I just realized this when I finally met up with my friends like last week. It was me seeing them like for the first time since the pandemic happened. And I just felt somehow distant to them, because probably I missed a lot. Like all of their doings, all of their interactions are there in QC, and I'm just here in our province. So there's some sort of separation. I mean, I'm still close to them, right? I'm still close to them. But when I met with them, I just felt like somehow distant, with them. I don't know if you guys are getting me, but this pandemic really like made a separation between my relationship with my friends. And I don't know why, bro. This song is just it just hits hard right now. I'm rerunning the lyrics, guys.
You make me feel special. 세상이 아무리 날 주저앉혀도 뜨겁고 맑은 날 질러도
This one's for the haters, This is some support mechanism that we all need in our lives, right? I mean, yes, we can, believe in ourselves. We can uplift ourselves in our own way, but it just feels different when you have someone there who will be there when the going gets rough, right?
That's what you do. How can I feel special? 아무것도 아닌 존재 같다가도 잘해줘도 오늘
Yo, this line, oh my god, this line really hits my entire soul right now. It's making me want to share things like I don't know if I should share it publicly. I mean, like no one would notice if I were gone. Okay, I'm just gonna, if you guys don't know, like I started this channel during the pandemic. That was July 2021, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I'm not yet 1 year in, but what made me really start this um YouTube channel is really like my love for Blackpink. That's the first one. So if you guys see my content, all of my beginning videos are just unboxing content of Blackpink, from their albums to their DVDs to their merch. Yeah, it's really mostly Blackpink. But then another side of that story of my reason why I started this channel. That's why I also like quote unquote face revealed myself and I didn't rely on my hands too much is because of this line. Like no one would notice if I were gone. Aside from, me exploring K-pop and everything, I think what also added to my motivation to start a YouTube channel is to be remembered, you know, is to be remembered. Like even when that day comes, when I die, hopefully not ASAP, but when I die, somehow this channel like quote unquote immortalizes me or leaves my mark here in this world that I was here, I was present, I enjoyed doing this, I love K-pop, which I hated before, but now I love K-pop. And at least my friends can search me whenever they miss me or something. Just like a presence here to be quote unquote immortalized whenever that day comes. And I think that's it, right? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just being. This line right here made me so soft right now. Maybe because the pandemic just added impact to whatever I'm listening to right now. But my mind is just blank right now. So even if like I have 2,000 subscribers or I'm not like as big as the other reaction channels or YouTube channels out there, you know, I treat this as a success already because somehow at least, you know, my legacy here through this YouTube channel is somehow I made you, my viewers, we made you guys smile in some way. And oh my god. Wait. I'm just blank right now. It made me like her vocals here is so nice. I'm sorry for the rant. Actually, I'm not, but I just wanted to share it out there. Because this song made me share that. That experience of mine. It made me share. Yo, she's so okay. She's so small. You make me feel special. That's what you do. Again, I feel special. 아무것도 아닌 존재 같다가도 사라지도 못할 사람 같다가도 날 부르는 네 목소리에 I feel love. I feel so special. You make everything alright. 구름이 짝인 햇살. Thank you. Thank you, Dubu. Bro, I feel that I feel so down right now. But hearing this beat switch, thank you. You make everything alright. 구름이 짝인 햇살 한 줌 없는 날. 네가 바로 나의 shining light. That's what you do. 아무리 어두운 밤도 다시 난 I owe it to you because you make me feel. I just realized now this Sana outfit, pink hair right here is my friend's most prio photo card of Sana. I just want to share. Because you make me feel special. 세상에 아무리 날 주저앉혀도 아프고 아픈 말들이 날 찔러도 네가 있어 난 다시 웃어. That's what you do. Again I feel special. 아무것도 아닌 존재 같다가도 사라져도 모를 사람 같다가도 Oh wow, this song. This song impacts me big time, bro. Oh, I love that scene of Sana here. You know, she's feeling down. And we have Dubu here, you know, she's smiling. Oh wow, wow. This is, oh my god, this is so nice. This is a nice shot right here. I do hope, guys, like whenever you watch my videos, that's the reaction I'm aiming for. You guys feeling down, and I'm here to make you, like, you know, somehow smile even just for a second. You know, I'm here with you guys. I'm here with you guys, even though I barely know you. You know, I just know you by your usernames, but oh, we have Sana here smiling at the end. Oh wow, bro. Oh my god. Yo, I love this song. Like for me, the rhythm, the song itself, like without the instrumental itself and the what you call it? Yeah, the song itself. Oh shit, I'm sorry. I'm just no. Whew. I guess the way this song impacted me, that's why I love it. It's because of the meaning behind the song, the lyrics, the message of the song. That really like outweighed the instrumental portion of the song itself. Like similarly with Blackpink, I think one of my top songs of Blackpink right now is You Never Know. If you guys haven't, you know, listened to that song, the message of that song is so nice that, you know, it's not the banger kind of song that I love, but because of the message of the song, it just, you know, I felt so connected with it. That's why I loved it. And similarly with Feel Special, the music, yeah, it was nice, but what really made me connect more to this song is the message that, you know, they put in the song, bro. I'm so I don't even know right now. I'm still soft right now. I'm still soft right now. I mean, like, it made me feel things. It made me feel things.